This is the 7 Mile Bridge heading down to Key West, Florida. And unfortunately we're in the motorhome because it's raining. We got the red devil behind us. The old bridge is still off to the right, as you can see, going down the old Flagler bridge. And we're heading down to the main bridge on the 7 Mile. Across the span here on the waterway. And you have the resort island still working on the right hand side. You can still see the old Flagler bridge again, a different style of it here. And then we're heading to the main crossover at the bridge, the main bridge uprise, 87 feet. A lot of open roads, one-way traffic, single lanes. Very tight run here to Key West on the 7 Mile Bridge. The old Flagler Bridge again to the right of us.